All right, so now we've kind of leveled off. I'm doing 42 miles an hour in 7th gear, and I'm getting current gas mileage is 19 miles to the gallon, 20, 21. Wait, what? A Jeep Gladiator on 37-inch tires and the dashboard is reading 15.6 miles to the gallon? Everyone says the gas mileage on these things is terrible, but I'm going to show you the one thing I've added that's making a huge difference and why my fuel economy is actually decent. So stay tuned. So the first thing that I did, which I did back in November, was re-gear my Jeep Gladiator from 410 stock gears to 513 gears. I knew that eventually I wanted to run 37-inch tires. At the time, I was running 35-inch tires. So my gas mileage wasn't quite as good as it could have been. So pro tip for you, if you're thinking about going to 37s and you're thinking about re-gearing, I would highly recommend doing both. So I just went ahead and re-geared, and I probably still had a year left of tire tread before I needed to get new tires. So here's the second upgrade I made. I went ahead and upgraded from 35-inch to 37-inch. I stayed with the Nitto Trail Grappler mud terrain. I got 37, 1250, 17s. This is the exact same tire that I was running on my Jeep whenever I got it re-geared. All right guys, and finally, the third thing. I switched my Rebel Off-Road half-height bed rack with rooftop tent to the Diamondback HD cover. Now, why did I do that? That bed rack and the rooftop tent weighed over 350 pounds. This doesn't weigh 60 pounds. I'm saving 300 pounds in the bed of my truck, just always being on my vehicle. That extra 300 pounds makes a difference whenever you're going up hills, coming down on the interstate, trying to accelerate, and it can affect your gas mileage. I'll tell you right now, the ultimate setup is having this Diamondback cover with the 37s and the 513 gears. I think that is the ultra combo, and it gives you the best gas mileage that you can get, especially in a hilly area. And we're gonna see that right after this. All right guys, so I just started up the Jeep. I'm about a little less than half a tank on this tank of gas, and I just wanted to show you what I'm currently getting in and around mid-Missouri. I'm getting 15.6 average with 109 miles left in my range. I've gone 185 miles currently at 15.6 miles per gallon. That's actually pretty decent. That's one of the first couple times that I've been over 15 miles to the gallon in my Jeep Gladiator just driving around. So we're gonna drive it down the road and I'm gonna show you kind of what I get on the terrain. So let's go. And to be honest with you, I know most of you out there, gas mileage doesn't matter to you. You don't own a Jeep for gas mileage. I don't own the Jeep for gas mileage. I just want the best gas mileage out of what I've got. And I understand that this isn't good. And even 16, 17 is not good. But it's better than what I was getting. When I had the bed rack and the rooftop tent, I could barely get like 15.1 miles per gallon out of a tank. And I reset it every time I get gas. And right now, I'm just showing you, we're going up this hill. Now hills, doesn't matter the hill, it just kind of destroys your gas mileage anyway. And as you can see there, I'm in 3rd gear and I'm getting 6 miles to the gallon. All right, So now we've kind of leveled off. I'm doing 42 miles an hour in 7th gear, and I'm getting current gas mileage is 19 miles to the gallon, 20, 21, right? And you see my average there. It takes a while to change the average. You got to travel about half a mile to a mile to really see some effect, especially at half a tank. It's not terrible because, I mean, this hill isn't that bad. And we're going to get up to the top here, and we're going to be able to kind of regain some of that. And your gas mileage is going to vary as you're going up and down the terrain. It just depends on where you live. If you live completely flat, I don't see a problem why you couldn't get 19 or 20 miles to the gallon out of this thing. But here in central Missouri, it's not flat, and it's not really all that good. Now I've let off the gas, that's why the gas mileage is like skyrocketed. Well, there you have it, guys. That's my recommendation. So a couple things out of this video. The gearing, if you're gonna lift it and put bigger tires, re-gear it. If you're gonna go 37s, go with 513s. 37s over 40s, you're gonna save yourself some gas mileage, and you're gonna save a little bit of coin in your pocket because you don't have to purchase 40s versus 37s. And then Diamondback hardcover with storage or overland open bed rack concept. I like both, honestly. They both have their reasons. They both have their needs. You know, one is better for daily driving than the other. Clearly, the Diamondback, I think, is for that. But if you like to do overlanding, there's nothing wrong with a bed rack and a rooftop tent, and you can certainly go that route. So, but yeah, that's my video for today. I hope you guys enjoy this content. Again, hit that like and subscribe. But let me know down below, like, what kind of gas mileage are you getting out of your Jeep Gladiator? And what do you think are some things that you could do to improve it? Let me know that in the comments. And it's Saturday. It's a beautiful day. And it's honestly one of the last couple days of summer. So if you got anything left of your weekend, which you do, get out and enjoy it. And we'll see you next time on Jack Monkey Overland Adventure.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why.